The trailer came with two side vents that are designed to air out the trailer while you pull it. Unfortunately, they leaked, and I don't need them because I have windows and a roof vent to air out the trailer. The leaks are actually pretty dang bad, so if you have one of these trailers, I'd highly recommend looking into these side vents and them leaking, because that is definitely a possibility. So in this video, I'm going to set out to replace these with flat and sealed acrylic plates. The first plate I put on, I damaged it by over-tightening the bolt. So here's a quick time lapse on what it takes to actually remove this plate. They're really tough, and it gives you a good indicator of how sticky the butyl tape is. So here's my second successfully installed plate. After 1 year in service,